Good morning, dear students. Dear students, we have learnt the addition of capacity units. Today we will learn subtraction of capacity units. Let's start. Yesterday, Sham bought a bottle of juice from the shopkeeper. Let's see what is the quantity of juice in that bottle. Yes, the quantity of juice in bottle is 600 milliliter. Now he gave some juice to his brother. Let's see how much juice did he give to his brother. He poured juice in a cup to give to his brother. Now let's see what is the quantity of juice that he gave to his brother. Let's check. Yes, how much quantity is there? Yes, Sham gave 400 milliliter of juice to his brother. Dear students, from the quantity of 600 milliliter of juice, he gave 400 milliliter of juice to his brother. Now let's check what quantity of juice is left with him. Yes, we will pour this remaining juice in another beaker and we will see what quantity of juice is left. Yes, it is 200 milliliter. Dear students, from 600 milliliter of juice, after giving 400 milliliter of juice to his brother, Sham has 200 milliliter of juice left with him. Now let's see how we can solve this sum in written form. Dear students, quantity of juice in bottle was 600 milliliter and quantity of juice given to brother was 400 milliliter, and after subtracting 400 milliliter from 600 milliliter, we get remaining quantity of juice in bottle as 200 milliliter. Dear students, yesterday Karan's mother bought 1 liter 500 milliliter milk from the milkman and he used some milk for making tea. Let's measure the quantity of milk that she used for making tea. We will pour this milk in a beaker. Let's see. Yes, it is 300 milliliter. She used 300 milliliter of milk to make tea. Dear students, from the total milk of 1 liter 500 milliliter, she used 300 milliliter of milk to make tea. Now she has 1 liter 200 milliliter milk left in the jug. Now let's see how we can solve this sum in written form. Total quantity of milk in jug was 1 liter 500 milliliter and quantity of milk used for making tea, yes, it was 300 milliliter, and after subtracting 300 milliliter from 1 liter 500 milliliter, we get quantity of left milk as 1 liter 200 milliliter. Dear students, from the left quantity of 1 liter 200 milliliter, she used some more milk to make coffee. Let's check the measurement of the milk which she used for making coffee. Let's pour this milk in a beaker. Now we can see that she used, very good, she used 400 milliliter of milk to make coffee. Dear students, from the total milk of 1 liter 500 milliliter, she used 400 milliliter of milk to make coffee. Now she has 800 milliliter milk left with her in the jug. Now let's see how we can solve this sum in written form. Quantity of left milk in the jug was 1 liter 200 milliliter. Quantity of milk used for making coffee was 400 milliliter, and after subtracting 400 milliliter from 1 liter 200 milliliter, we get total quantity of remaining milk as 800 milliliter. Dear students, like this, today we have learnt the subtraction of capacity units. Now we will solve a question related with Punjab Achievement Survey. Our question is, quantity of any liquid till 400 milliliter can be measured with the help of shown beaker. There is 200 milliliter milk in this beaker. How much more quantity of milk can be measured with it? For this question, we have four options. Option A is 50 milliliter, option B is 100 milliliter, option C is 200 milliliter and option D is 300 milliliter. My dear students, its capacity to measure liquid is 400 milliliter and it has 200 milliliter of milk in it. And to find the more capacity that we can measure with it, for this we will subtract 200 milliliter from 400 milliliter, and after this subtraction we get 200 milliliter, which is C option. So we will tick this option. Now it is time for homework. From home you will solve question number 2nd, 4th and 5th of exercise 5.9. Thank you.